I'm Ava.
And I'm Isaiah.
And we are your two rally chairs who do the announcements every single morning. But today we're going to switch it up.
All right, let's get into announcements. First, congratulations to the Avid class of 2023 who have surpassed $1 million in scholarships to which they have applied to. Special recognition to Kendra Rutledge, Andrew Meza, Yertza Garcilazo, Mia Boteo, and Teresa Banger, who have each applied to over $100,000.
Catherine Reddy competed at the Kern County Regional Science Fair this past Tuesday. Catherine placed first in Computational System and Analysis Mathematical Science Division, and she will be representing Highland and Kern County at the California State Science Fair on April 11th. Also, Catherine is the alternate for the International Science and Engineering Fair. If you see Catherine around campus, go and congratulate her on all her hard work.
Congratulations, Catherine. The 50th annual Lee Webb Math Field Day was held at CSUB last Saturday. Students from schools across Central Valley came to compete in various mathematics competitions, including individual and team medleys, math bowl, chalk talks, humor presentations, and Rubik's Cubes. Highland had one of the largest teams, and this is our first time competing in several years. Highland received awards in the following categories: JV Chalk Talk, honorable mention, Brooklyn Black; third, Mary Davis; Varsity Chalk Talk, first place, Yamani Jackson; JV Individual Medley, second, River Carreno; Varsity Individual Medley, second place, Mia Donez; and Varsity Team Medley, honorable mentions, Jack Hester, Shay Ellis, Angel Alejos, and Alexa Romo; and second place, Jennifer Garcia, Mia Donez, Chloe Aguilar, and Yamani Jackson.
Now, let's go into a quick break. Teachers, listen up. We have an announcement for you too. In your boxes, you will find a list of the students from your first period classes that are scheduled to be taking the SBAC tests. The dates are Tuesday, March 21st, periods 1 through 4, Wednesday, March 22nd, periods 1 through 4, Tuesday, March 28th, period 1 through 4, and Wednesday, March 29th, periods 1 through 3rd. Let's go, Lee, who has some information about the SBAC test for juniors.
Juniors, SBAC testing is starting Tuesday. Please check in with your first period teacher to find out what class you need to report to for testing. Then, on that Tuesday, you will go directly to your class instead of going to your first period. Remember, don't stress, just do your best.
Thank you, Lee. Now, let's go with Ian with some information about ASB.
Calling all students, we want you for ASB. It's the time of year to elect our new officials and positions. If you're interested in this opportunity and would like to be part of our ASB, please use a QR code that is posted on the walls around school.
The application is active today and will be available until March 24th at 4:30 p.m.
If you have any further questions, please see MBS in the athletics office. Miss Barbara Smith.
Thank you, Ian. Now we have some details about Highland's spring musical, The Addams Family.
Welcome, Super Scots, to this Addams Family play. Oh wait, I'm not here to let you guys into the play. I'm here to tell you guys about the play, because I know you've already heard it. The birds was chirping. They loved it, man. This play was amazing. And I'll tell you right now, I got no complaints. Everyone can come and watch this, your friends, your family, even little babies. I promise you won't hear one crying baby, because all the babies are going to be entertained watching this show. There's not one moment of boredom, not one moment of not being entertained. Everything's amazing about this play, and I'll tell you why. Because our sets, they got your eyes staring at it because it's beautiful. Ain't not one scratch. Everything's perfect. And our actors, perfect. Some of the best actors we had yet. The hard work and dedication our actors put, the artists that put this thing to real life, I'm proud to say I'm a Highland Scot, because we just make the best. And let me tell you one more thing right now. The play was yesterday, and it's going to be today at 7 p.m. The doors are going to open 30 minutes before the showing, so you better hurry up, because the house is gonna be filled. Packed house for real. We ain't gonna have one seat open, so if you late, you probably not getting in. I'm gonna tell you that right now. And we're gonna have another play tomorrow at 7 p.m. and 2 p.m. Same thing, man. 30 minutes before you come in, it's gonna be open. Better be there quick. And also, we're gonna have some merch for sale, some Highland High, Adams Family, apparel. So you better be here, man, because it ain't nothing to play about.
Thanks for the details. If you can't make it today, tomorrow the Spring Musical has 2 shows at 2 p.m. and 7 p.m. for $10 to get inside.
That's all we have for you today, Super Scots. Don't forget to push Blee by plaiding up. And don't forget to go see the Addams Family if you want to see me as Wednesday.
And me as Gomez.
Have a great day, Scots.